37 question. In the given figure, a rope is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole and the ground to a peg on the same ground level such that the length of the rope is 20 meter. So this is a peg. Okay, this is the rope. Okay, this rope length, how much is there? 20 meter is there. So year to year angle of elevation 30 degree. Okay, this is the peg, this is the rope length is 20 meter, year angle of elevation is 30 degree. Next point is here, a circus artist climbed the rope to reach the top of the pole from top of the pole, and from there he observed the angle of elevation, year to angle of elevation, top of the another pole, this is the another pole, on the same ground to be 60 degree. This pole to this another pole, here angle of elevation, how much degree is there? 60 degrees there. Next, see here, if the distance of the foot of the longer pole, this is a longer pole, this pole to this peg distance, so year to year, how many meter is there? 30 meter is there. Then find the height of the pole. This height of the pole, year to year height of the pole is the question mark. One more time, I will repeat the question. See, this is the peg, this is the rope. This rope length 20 meter. Here angle of elevation, how much degree? 30 degree. Next, this pole to this another pole, angle of elevation, how much is given? 60 degree is given. Now, this pole to this peg distance, how much is there? 30 meter is there. Now, what is the question mark? Height of the pole. This pole height, we will find the CD is the question mark. Now see length of the length of the rope. This is the length of the rope. How much degrees? How much meter? 20 meter. This rope length is the 20 meter. Here how much degree? 30 degree. Next, this is the peg. This is the pole. This peg to pole 30 meter, and year to year this first pole to high. Next last pole. This is one pole. This is one pole. Smaller pole to bigger pole. How much degrees there? Angle of elevation 60 degrees there. What is the question mark? C to D. Length of the pole. This pole height we will find. CD is the question mark. Here what is the question mark? CD is the question mark. Okay. Now what we will do? First we will take this triangle AOB. Triangle we will take. See here, step by step I will explain. In triangle AOB. In triangle AOB triangle we will take. This triangle taking means, see a sine theta taking means, sine means opposite by hypotenuse. This triangle taking means sine 30, opposite by hypotenuse. Already you know hypotenuse, easily you will get opposite. Okay, now we will take a sine 30 degree. See here, sine 30 degree. Sine means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. So 30 opposite what? AB is a opposite. Okay, AB is the opposite. Hypotenuse means what? OA is a hypotenuse. OA is a hypotenuse. Now you apply value sine 30. Sine 30 value what? 1 by 2 sine 30. AB. AB don't know. Write as it is AB by OA how much? 20. So do cross multiplication. AB into 2 is equal to 21 the 20. Now see here, AB is equal to 20 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2 means cancel this one. 2 ones are 2 tens. 2 ones are 2 tens. Now see here, AB is equal to, see here, AB is equal to, what is the answer? 10 meter. This AB is the 10 meter. Okay. AB 10 means D also 10 meter. That concept also we will write. AB is equal to, this is 10 means this is also 10. AB is equal to D is equal to 10 meter. Okay. Now write one side this one. AB value you got 10. D also 10. Okay. Now we will take again same triangle. Same triangle what? In triangle AOB triangle. In triangle AOB. Same triangle taking means now we will take a cos 30. Cos means what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Now you will get adjacent answer. OB answer you will get. So now we will take a cos 30 degree. Cos means what? Cos means what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent? OB is the adjacent. What is the hypotenuse? OA is the hypotenuse. OA is the hypotenuse. Cos 30. What is the cos 30 value? Root 3 by 2. Apply the values correctly. Root 3 by 2. is equal to OB don't know, right, as it is OB. OA value is the 20. Okay. Now do cross multiplication. OB into 2. OB into 2 is equal to 20 into root 3. 20 root 3. So OB is equal to 20 root 3. 20 root 3. This is a into, take this side, divide. Sorry, divided by 2. It is a 2. It is a into, after is equal to 2. 2 ones are 2 tens are. So OB is equal to what? OB is equal to 10 root 3. So root 3 value in question given 1.73. So here we will write OB is equal to, see, OB is equal to, OB is equal to 10 root 3. 10 into root 3 value in the question given 1.73. You apply 1.73 value. So OB is equal to, see, into 10. So point will move one digit front. So 10.7. Sorry, 17.3. 10 into 1.73. Point will move one digit front. So 17.3. So OB is equal to 17. See here, OB is equal to how much here? 17.3. So OD distance 30 is there. This full distance to this OB minus 2 means you will get a BD. So now we finding BD chance is there. So right here BD is equal to, this BD you want means OD minus OD minus OB. OD minus OB did means you will get a BD. So OD, year to year distance how much is that? 30 minus OB distance 17.3. So 30 minus 17.3. So 10 minus 3, 7. Here 9 minus 7, 2. So here 2 minus 1, 1, 12.7. So BD is equal to 12.7. So BD value how much is there? 12.7. So right here BD is equal to 12.7. So BD is equal to A is equal to, both are same. So that concept also we will write. BD is equal to AE is equal to 12.7 meter. So BD measurement, AE measurement both are same. So this is also 12.7. So now what we will do? This triangle we will take. Which triangle? ACE triangle we will take. In triangle ACE. In triangle ACE, now we want this distance. So now we will take a tan. Tan means what? Opposite by adjacent. So now we will take a tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree. Tan means what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. What is the opposite? CE is the opposite. What is the adjacent? AE is the adjacent. Okay. Tan 60. What is the tan 60 value? Root 3 is equal to, C you don't know. Write CE as it is. By AE 12.7. 12.7. So now do cross multiplication. CE into 1 CE. CE is equal to 12.7 into root 3. So CE is equal to 12.7 into root 3 value. Root 3 value 1.73. Root 3 value is the 1.73. So CE is equal to, this both we will multiply. Already I did multiplication. What is the answer is that means 21.971. CE is equal to 21.971. So 21.971 means we will take only 2 digits. Only this much we will take. So C point after we will take only 2 digits. So what you will get to 21.97. 21.97. So this value is 21.97. 21.97 plus 10. So now we want full CD distance. CD distance we want. CD is equal to, see year to year 21.97 plus 10. So right here 21.97 plus 10. So CD is equal to 21 plus 10, 31.97. This is the approximate answer. Otherwise, round off we will take 32 also correct. Here 9 is there. So round off did means we will get a 32. This 31.97 is the correct answer. We will take a 32 also. Here point after 3 digits means we are taking only 2 digits. Only 2 digits mean 21.97. 21.97 plus 10, 31.97. This is the now 37 our question. This type of question is given in the preparatory. Now see a tower AB. AB is a tower and building D is a building. This is a tower, this is a building and standing vertically on the ground level. The angle of elevation top of the tower. Angle of elevation top of the tower. Top of the tower from the point on the same ground and from the top of the building is 30 degree and 60 degree. So year to year angle of elevation 30 degree, year to year angle of elevation 60 degree as given in the figure. If the distance of the point of from foot of the tower, see year to foot of the tower distance how much is there? Year to year distance how much is there? 30 root 3 meter is there. The height of the building is 10 meter. Then find the distance, BE distance. Here BE distance, this is the question mark. B is distance, foot of the tower and building. Foot of the tower and building. This distance, BE distance we will find. And also distance between their tops. This tops distance we will find. AD is the question mark. Here two question marks. What are the question marks? BE question mark, AD question mark. Okay. Now see here, this is the diagram. See here, shortly I will explain. AB what? AB is a tower. AB is a tower. Next D is a building. Building height how much given? 10 meter given. Again is given CB distance how much is there? Year to year CB distance 30 root 3 is there. Year angle of elevation 30 degree, year to angle of elevation 60 degree. Only this is the tower, this is the building. Building height is the 10 meter. Here CB distance is the 30 meter is there. 30 root 3 meter is there. Here two angle of elevation given. Here angle of elevation 30 degree, here angle of elevation 60 degree. Now what are the question mark? B is the question mark. AD is the question mark. Two question marks. B is the question mark. Okay, BE distance is the question mark. Next question mark what? AD distance is the question mark. This is the question. Now first what we will do? Now which triangle we will use? First we will use ABC triangle we will use. So now I am taking which triangle? In triangle ABC I am taking. In triangle ABC I am taking means here 30 degree. So now you know this distance, AB distance finding chances there. So now what we will do? Tan we will take. Tan means what? Opposite by adjacent. So opposite by adjacent. Already you know the adjacent, you will get the opposite. So now we will take tan 30 degree. Right here tan 30 degree. Tan means what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. What is 30 opposite what? AB is the opposite. By what is the adjacent? CB is the BC. BC is the adjacent. Okay, tan 30 value. What is the tan 30 value? 1 by root 3. Apply the values correctly. 1 by root 3 is equal to AB don't know. Write as it is AB by BC distance 30 root 3. 30 root 3. Now we will do cross multiplication. See a cross multiplication means AB into root 3. AB into root 3 is equal to 30 root 3 into 1, 30 root 3. Now see here, AB is equal to 30 root 3. Here into take this side, it is a divide. Root 3 cancel. AB is equal to what? 30. AB is equal to 30 meter. Now you got AB is the 30 meter. Now next concept what is there? See here DE is equal to PB is equal to, this is 10 means this is also 10 meter. Okay, next concept we will write DE is equal to, now write here DE is equal to PB is equal to what? Both are 10 meter. DE is equal to PB is equal to both are 10 meter. So this full length don't know. Okay, only we know this length. This is the 10 AB length we know. AB is equal to how much is there? AB 30 is there. 30 minus 10, this AP you will get 20. So AP finding chance is there. So how you will find? See here, AP is equal to how you will find AB minus PB. AB minus PB. AP is equal to this full to this minus means you will get AP. So AB length just now you got AB how much? 30. 30 minus PB, this is the 10. So AP is equal to how much? 20. So AP length is the 20. So now you got AP. This AP is the 20. Now we will take which triangle? APD triangle we will take. Now see here, in triangle APD, this triangle we are taking APD triangle. APD triangle means here we will take a tan 60. Tan means what? Opposite by adjacent. So now we will take a tan 60 degree. Tan means what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. So what is the opposite? AP is the opposite. What is the adjacent? PD is the adjacent. PD is the adjacent. Tan 60 value. What is the tan 60 value? Tan 60 means root 3. Tan 60 means root 3 is equal to AP measurement 20 by PD, don't know, write as it is PD. Now we will do cross multiplication. See PD into root 3, PD into root 3 is equal to 20 into 1, 20. Now see PD is equal to 20. Here into is that, take divided by root 3. Now we will do into root 3 into root 3. Now see what happens here. 20 root 3. Rationalize the denominator. 20 by root 3 came. Now we will do rationalize the denominator means root 3 into root 3. So here you will get the PD is equal to 20 into root 3, 20 root 3, root 3 into root 3, it is a 3. So PD is equal to 20 root 3 by 3. This is the PD. So this is what? 20 root 3 by 3. So this is 20 root 3 by means this is also BE also same. So PD is equal to BE is equal to PD measurement to PE measurement, both are same. So both are same means this is also 20 root 3 by 3. This is the first answer. So now he is asking BE measurement. So now he is asking BE measurement 20 root 3 by 3. Next, this measurement also AD measurement of one answer came. Next, same triangle we will take. Which triangle? In triangle APD triangle, same triangle we will take. Same triangle taking means now what we will do? Sine we will take. Sine means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Sine means opposite by hypotenuse. So now we will take a sine 60 degree. So right here sine 60 degree. Sine means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. What is the opposite? AP is the hypotenuse. AP is the opposite. Hypotenuse what? AD is the hypotenuse. Sine 60 means opposite by hypotenuse. AP is the opposite. AD is the hypotenuse. Next, sine 60 value. Sine 60 value root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is equal to AP value 20. 20 by AD, don't know, right? AD as it is. Now do cross multiplication. AD into root 3. AD into root 3 is equal to 20 into 2. So AD is equal to 22 is the 40. Here into take this side, it's a divide. Okay. Now see here. Now down root 3 is there. We will do rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means root 3 by root 3. So AD is equal to 40 into root 3. 40 root 3. Root 3 into root 3, it is a 3. This is also second answer. So PD answer 20 root 3 by, BE answer 20 root 3 by 3. Next, AD answer 40 root 3 by 3. This is 40 root 3 by 3. This is one answer. This answer is 20 root 3 by 3 is the answer. Okay.